Hello, I am Rachit. This is the given paragraph or the passage. The question we need to answer is, the author is least likely to agree with the statement that solution. After reading passage 1, we can understand that ITT was a classic conglomerate with telecommunications as its core business. But when the group's performance declined, ITT had to divest most of the diverse companies. Hence, ITT of 1960s was a perfect conglomerate with some disadvantages as well. So, the correct option becomes 3. In this, it is said, ITT of the 1960s was a perfect conglomerate without any disadvantages. So, the author would be least likely to agree with this statement. Because perfect conglomerate without any disadvantages given, but in the passage it is given that it had disadvantages as well. So it is the correct option. Hence our answer is 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Rachit. This is the given passage. And the question we need to answer is, the author is most likely to agree with the statement that most likely to agree with solution. After going through the passage, we come to know that options 1, options 2 and option 4 does not give a clearer picture as to what has been said in the passage. But when we come to option 3, it says ITT had to divest most of its diverse companies when the group performance declined. Is the correct option, as because it is also supported in the first passage. When the group's performance declined, as a result, ITT had to divest most of these diverse companies. So option 3 is the correct choice, and hence our answer is 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Rachit. This is the given passage. The question we need to answer is, the word straddle in the passage specifically refers to solution. Here the word straddle means to exist into various activities. So the correct choice is option 4, which says Pearson's Group in the UK and its variety of business. It is appropriate for straddle. As we find in the passage, Pearson's Group in the UK, it used to straddle in a variety of. So option 4, Pearson's Group in the UK and its variety of business, fits in with the word straddle in the passage. Hence it becomes the appropriate. So the answer is 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Rachit. This is the given passage. The question we need to answer is, the conglomerate discount reflects the diminution in value of business. Which of these is false regarding this statement? Solution. The sentence given in the second passage is, unfortunately in several cases such unbundling was forced on unwary conglomerates by financial predators. Coming on to options, we have, unfortunately in several cases such unbundling was forced on unwary conglomerates by financial predators. All the other options fits in. Option first, option second and option 4 fits in. In the third option we have, in several cases the said unbundling was advised by. So this part is wrong. Hence this is the only option which is false. So our answer becomes 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Rachit. This is the given passage. The question we need to answer is, which is not true as per the passage? Solution. If we see the options, first, Indian conglomerates may well benefit from an analysis of the real value of the individual businesses within the firm is been given in the passage, so it's given. Option 2, an analysis can indicate the conglomerate discount that the Indian conglomerates suffer from. It's also been given. Option 4, which says if corrective action is not invoked, financial predators can appear in India and force the pace. It's also given. But the question demands which is not true as per the passage. Therefore, option 1, option 2 and option 4 goes out, and hence option 3 becomes the correct answer, which is nowhere been mentioned in the given passage. So our answer is 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.